Harry, have you ever heard you have to see it before you believe it?
Yes, I have, Arvin.
With this one, you can't see it, Harry, but you better freaking believe it.
All right.
Welcome to the channel. I critique mansions. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute video so we can binge watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we're going to review 1680 North Doheny Drive, 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, 13,500 square foot, and listed for $43 million. And it sits on a lot that is 51,000 square foot, but it's almost all engineered. It's completely hillside. Now, before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for educational entertainment purposes, and I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For all that stuff, you should contact the listing agents over here. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. The third thing I love about this property is views. This property grabs amazing panoramic views. I mean, I wouldn't call it 360, but you're in a pretty wide angle. It's a little bit farther up. You're not so close by, but it's clear and it's absolutely jetliner, cliff-hanging views. It's gorgeous. The second thing I love about this property is the fact that the scale is just right. I mean, look at these ceiling heights. They're ridiculous. They're beautiful. The volume is there. The finishes are there. It's just unbelievable amount of grandeur. I made up a word. Is it grandeur?
No, that's a real word.
Oh, see, I forgot how good I was with my vocabulary. Grandeur. Anyways, fantastic scale. It really, you would expect this type of grandeur in this price point, and they nail it. They really do. But the number one thing I love about this property is that it's architecturally beautiful. It's a marvel in engineering, what they've created. Building something hillside like this is not easy, and it's very, very expensive. They've done a fantastic job. It totally stands out from the competition. It really looks like if Elon Musk was about to buy a property or build a property, he would build something like this. And it even has these like mid-century elements with, you know, what properties you might see in Palm Springs. I absolutely love the design. Now, before I tell you 3 things I don't like about this property, you should know that according to ZipSmart.ai, this neighborhood right now is more on the buyer side. And by June, we're expecting a 3.5% market improvement for buyers with 85% confidence. Now, the forecast I just showed you will be obsolete by the time you watch this video, because this model takes 30 different housing indicators like supply, demand, price cut, days on the market, local unemployment rate, mortgage rates, historical and CME forecasts, and then assigns the right amount of weight to each one of these that is relevant to your zip code, and then forecast 12 months out with a degree of confidence and gives you buy and sell signals. So we currently have a sell signal for 90069. The blue line is the current market, the purple line is the forecast. If you're interested in this app, visit zipsmart.ai. The stakes level is free. You can play around with it. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. The third thing I don't like about this property, it's all engineered. There's not a speck of grass or naturally flat area. You literally feel like Garçon is handling a plate in the top of the mountain, and this is area you have. It's like a helipad in the mountains, right? It's just not natural, and it just doesn't feel right. Now, the second thing I don't like about it is the fact that the location is okay. It's not lower Bird Streets, it's more like upper Bird Streets. And the price seems pretty high for the location. I mean, when you look at the $40 million price category, there are so many options right now. From mansions in Lower Bel Air and Beverly Hills north of Sunset, everywhere. I mean, from Hidden Hills to Malibu, you can get so many properties in LA for $40 million. To me, it seems a little out of touch with reality. But the number one thing I don't like about this property is that, do you see how beautiful it is? And I told you how I'm in love with the architectural style of it. I think they nailed it. You can't see the architectural style because it's perched up. You have to take some sort of an elevator to go up to the first floor to enter the property. Otherwise, you would never see this beautiful property from ground level. Like, you literally have to fly a drone out and then look at your own property and be like, ooh, I live in a cool place. Like, that's just a big negative, right? To me, it's like, where is the curb appeal? Where is it? Like, how could you see it? Besides the fact that it's going to be super annoying every day that you want to come in, it just doesn't have that frontage, doesn't have that appeal of the long driveway, which a lot of properties come in this price point with. And, you know, instead you're going to get the combination of probably stairs and elevator. It's pretty annoying. Now, if you like this video, you will like my other videos, check out zipsmart.ai. And I live in the comments. If you'd like to leave a comment, reach down below and I will answer every single one of them. Thank you for watching and get out of here.